Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something that sounds really boring but is actually OP. That is dictionaries in Python. They are like real life dictionaries, but instead of definitions, they store the data like a real boss. So, without any further ado, let us make dictionaries OP again. Imagine trying to store your friends' names and their favorite pizza topping. Isn't it that cool? You can use lists to do this, but if you use dictionaries, you will be 100% organized. How can you do this? Like this. Boom, your data is stored. So, like this, we can use our dictionaries. But what actually dictionaries are? A dictionary is a collection of key and pair values. Imagine it like a phone book. Key is the name of the person and the value is the number. So, let us understand more about dictionaries by looking at some code snippets. Let us start by creating the dictionaries. So here is how you can create your dictionary. So giving it a name, student. Um, so enclosing all of them in a curly braces, and we should uh, differentiate, like we should separate the key and the values by using colons, and each key value pair is separated by a comma. So this is how you create a dictionary. So if you want to access the keys or the values, you can use this code like student.keys and student.values. If you use the student.keys, you will get the name, age, grade, and etc. If the values, then you will get the name, values like Aditi 22, something like that. So you want to get the name, like specifically the name, then we should use this code like student. In the square brackets we should give the key name like name. So in that, when you do that, you will get the output Aditi here. Like, so like you want to update the age, then if you want to update the age, like you should do like this, like student or square brackets and the key name, then you can update the value. If you want to add any other element, like if you want to add email, then you can do it like this. Okay, if imagine like a student have left, now you want to remove his grade. So how can we do that? Like we can do it like student.pop, and we should give the key name, then it will pop that specific key value pair. Now if you want to clear the whole dictionary, it's simple, student.clear. That's it, your dictionary and your data is gone. So as we have seen a little about what all we can do with like the basic operations that we can do on dictionaries, now let us move further, like looping through a dictionary. Like you can loop through your dictionary using both the key and the value pairs like this. You can use this code like for key comma value in student.items, then print like this, like you will get the key and the value in these particular spaces. If you want to loop through the dictionary using the keys, then like you can use that first statement like for key in student print key. Okay, then if you want to loop through the dictionary using the values, then you can use like for value in student dot values. Look at the difference, like for getting the key you will just give like student, but for getting the values you should use student at values. So that is how it works. So these are the basic operations, like the basic operations that we can do on dictionaries. And that's a wrap on Python dictionaries, your data's personal assistant. If you learned something, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And that's it. Bye.